Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to inspect my potato. I'm growing this in my basement. I've got a ginormous pot here full of soil. I had a potato that was sprouting from my store-bought bag of potatoes, and so I thought I'd plant it and see what happened. That was about 2 months ago, and my foliage is starting to turn a little bit yellow here. I think it's time to have a look in here and see if we got anything at all or not. So let's have a look. I guess I'll just start by pulling this up. Interesting. All right, there's nothing there. Let's see if there's anything at all in this soil. Nothing. Even the potato I planted, of course, is completely rotted. Not even any roots. Surprised it did as well as it did with that little bit of root on it. Oh, hang on. Ha! One tiny little potato so far. I gotta dig a little deeper, I think. Take up some of this soil. I buried it deep and hilled over top as it grew, so that's why I'm looking way down to the bottom. Oh no, I think that's the potato we started with. It's rotten. And there's nothing else in there. It smells like rot in here, now that I've punched open that potato. Well, I think that's it. Failed experiment, but at least it was fun to try. Thanks, see you next time.